Is silicone the right fit for your roof restoration job? Hi, this is Mehdi from SolarEx in Berkeley, California. When it comes to roof restoration, there are a few types of coatings in the industry that you may consider. Number one, acrylic coatings. They are water-based, UV resistant and cost effective, like our acrylic X500. Number two, silicone coatings. They are moisture cured, durable and great in harsh environments, like our Silicone X500. And number three, polyurethane coatings. They are solvent based and excellent for high traffic areas. Each has its own advantages depending on your roof conditions. But if you have any of these conditions, silicone is the best and most recommended coatings for your roof. Number one is ponding water. Silicone handles standing water without breaking down. Number two, harsh sun exposures. Silicone offers outstanding UV resistance. And number three, extreme temperatures. It remains flexible in both hot and cold climates. And number four, minimal maintenance needs. Silicone forms a seamless, durable membrane that lasts long years. And if you have metal roofs or old single ply membranes, it adheres well and extends the life of roofs. So if you have any of some of these conditions, silicone coatings like our Silicone X500 could be the best or most recommended coatings for your roof job. And don't forget that our Silicone X500 is CRRC-rated in United States, which approves its capability in reflectivity. Don't hesitate. If you have any questions, reach out to me via email or WhatsApp and I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Your order is here, ready to ship. Catch it.